Good morning, everybody. And Euro USD is still battling with a direction. It is starting to lean towards shorts, and you can see we broke through the moving averages, but we basically spent almost 2 weeks hovering here at the 150, and we keep going above the 150 and coming back and going above and coming back. So looking at this, I just want to get a level here. There's a pretty strong fractal here at 108.776, and you can see going into the close on Friday we did respect it, and it lines up with the 150 EMA. So that to me is an inside bar off that level, so it could very well mean that we have a bit of a fall coming. Now the diversion that we had here, which was indicating a move to the upside potential, has been broken. So that's no longer in play. So this could be a case of drifting lower. But when we start drilling down and you have a look at the 3 hour, you can see tails to the upside, tails to the downside. Barbed wire, confusion, a messy range. There's so many things you can call this. The only thing that is true is that it is drifting lower, and we are kind of respecting a multitude of levels or resistance areas. And the other one here is 109093, which was respected in the week. Now if we're looking for opportunities, we look for them on the hour, and don't forget to hit that like button. We do have a rejection here. It's a messy one. That's a range bar, so I'm not going to trust that at all. I would expect us to come back and test something. There is there's 2 pin bars here. So if you look left here, look at all the rejections, and then twice we've got pin bars here trying to buy off this level, and then prices below, prices above, prices below, prices above. So that's my first area of resistance that I'll be looking for, 108.662. Any break above 108.776 nullifies any short that you're looking at. Now, just also pay very close attention to this. So we do have diversions here on the hour between the 2 daily lows, and then we had buyers come in, and then we drifted sideways. So this could be a flag as well. Now if you drop down to the 15-minute and you're looking for more clarity, you can see above the moving averages, chaos, back below the moving averages. So for me, there's still no real structure. We're going to have to wait and see what happens here. If we start rejecting the underside of this 15-minute range bar, which would close a gap, and it lines up there with the 150 EMA, that is 108.571. So if we reject this, there's a good opportunity for a smallish position. 300 point stop loss above the high of yesterday, and you'd be looking for a move to the downside. The first area would be this 108.245, and if we come back to the hour, you'll see that it lines up with a lot of structure to the left. So that's kind of the first thing that I'd be doing. Longs, I'm a little bit reluctant to jump in on longs. We've got a way to go. We'd have to clear 108.776, build a base in this area, and then you've got an opportunity to target 109.093. And if you get through that, then longs become a little bit more clearer. But for me at the moment, we are at an area of potential support, but we are below it. If you look there, you see these tails here, and we are below it at 108.486. So I suspect we are heading lower, but it's just going to be a case of whether this is going to be adhered to at 108.486, or we're coming up to adhere to this level at 108.571. For as long as we're below the moving averages here on the 15 minutes, possible for shorts, but they're short scalps, and this is your target area, 108.245. Longs as well, you're going to need to get above all the structure and these moving averages change on the 50-minute before you even look at a long. So for as long as we're sort of hovering around the 150 EMA or below it, I'd be favoring to the short side. Okay, that's kind of my view for today, but don't expect these things to last all day. As soon as you see structure, put your take profit in and take profit at every opportunity, because we're going nowhere, to be honest. Okay, anyway, that's kind of it for me. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.